Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of exponential functions. Let's solve it together. The exponential function, f of x is given as a times b to the power of x, where a and b are positive constants, is defined. The table shows values of f of x at selected values of x. Which of the following statements is true? So the x values are 0 through 4. X values are increasing. As x values are increasing, the y values are also increasing from 5 to 405. So this must be a growth function. This is not a decay. Since they are both growth, the answer should be either B or D. We will go ahead and eliminate the choice A and C. So now let's find the values of A and B. So to do that, f0 is a times b to the power of 0 is 5. So b to the power of 0 is 1. So this gives us a as 5. So a is greater than 0 in both choices, b and d anyway. But we're going to find now the value of b. To do that, we will use this data now. f1, so 5 times b to the power of 1 is equals to 15. So this means 5b equals 15. If you divide both sides by 5, you will get 3 for b. So b is 3, and which is greater than 1. So therefore, the answer will be choice B for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.